OnePlus 10 Pro is coming in a few days. After seeing rendered images, here is the official teaser of OnePlus 10 Pro from social media Weibo, and this device looks amazing. The video also teases the phone design language and shows different angle of the device. The brands officially announced the launch of the device last week and confirmed that the OnePlus 10 Pro will launch in China in January, might be on 11 Jan. In the teaser, it's having two colors option, black and green, which looks very exciting. It comes with curved edges, 6.7-inch QHD display with a 120Hz refresh rate, 2K LTPO AMOLED display with a single left aligned punctual selfie shooter camera which contains 32 megapixel camera. On the back side, there is a massive size of camera section with triple camera setup with 48 megapixel main, 50 megapixel ultra wide angle and 8 megapixel telephoto lens, 3x zoom from Hasselblad brand. OnePlus is using a new image processing which is P2D50T sensor, which offers additional camera features. Coming to the specification, it comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 which will be paired up to 12GB RAM and 256GB ROM with OS 12 Oxygen. This device also listed on Geekbench with a single and multi-score. Also you got the SIM tray, primary microphone, power button, volume rocker and studio speaker grill with USB Type-C charging port. OnePlus 10 Pro also got certification confirming 80W super fast charging with 5000 mAh battery which can fully charge in half an hour. This is decent flagship device, not something like Ultra and Max. So get ready for this device, and out there are many more. So stay tuned. That's all for now. See you in the next video. Thanks for your love and support. I really appreciate each one of you who subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.